Today I'll show you some updates Zoom has added. They are really good. I like them. They're very useful. Let's see. Before, we used to struggle when sending our students screenshots in the chat box before sending them to breakout rooms so they discuss some questions or do some activities, exercise, practice speaking, or whatsoever. So we had to take a screenshot of the entire screen or a part of it using another software, and then we save it on our desktop or send the files ahead before the session to the students, whether via email, WhatsApp, whatever the communication channel. But now Zoom made it very easy. So for example, we want to send a screenshot only of this email. So let's see, we open the chat box here, and then we have a little icon there that says this option says screenshot. A screenshot, and you can do so. If you want to add anything, a text, so you might say reply to this email. Capture. Now it's sent as, or it's really in the message box as an attachment. And then check this out. Send. So now all your students got this picture, this screenshot. They can download it with the notes you've written on, and then they can download it and go to breakout rooms or discuss it together or whatever you're gonna do later. That's the first part, or the first very useful function or tool we've got. Second, maybe a student will send you an answer. This is the correct answer, the other one you want to refer back. So you can click on more here and then quote. I was like, thank you, Ali. So when you're replying to students, now you don't reply to all the students. These are the two functions I've just discovered in a session I finished half an hour ago. Well, these are the updates we have today. Feel free to share this with your friends, other teachers, fellows, and teacher trainers. That was it for today. See you again.